Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you if you're getting this type of problem verification required on App Store while downloading app from App Store on your iPhone or iPad device. Then here in this video, I'll show you how you can easily fix this type of problem after updating your iPhone device to the latest version of iOS. So first of all, here we have to close this tab. After that, first of all, here we have to open setting. Then here we have to scroll down here, then tap on screen time. Then after that, here we have to again scroll down, and here we have to tap on content and privacy restrictions. After that, here you can see that here's the option of content and privacy restriction. Here we have to turn on this toggle. Then after that, here we have to tap on iTunes and App Store purchases. After that, here we have to scroll down, and here you can see that here are the two options, always require and don't require. Here we have to select don't require from here. Then after go back, and here we have to turn off this toggle. Then after go back, and here we have to tap on Apple ID profile. Then here we have to scroll down and tap on media and purchases, and tap on here password settings. Then after that, here you can see that here's the option of require password. Here we have to turn off this toggle if it is on. Then after go back, here we have to again open setting, then tap on Apple ID. Then here we have to scroll down. Then here we have to remove our payment method which you have entered and re-enter your payment method again. Then after that, here we have to go back. Then here we have to scroll down, and here we have to tap on general. Then here we have to make sure that you are using an updated version of iOS. If you don't have an updated version of iOS, then you'll have to update your iPhone device to the latest version. Then after that, here we have to again open setting, then tap on general. Then here we have to scroll down, and here we have to make sure that your iPhone device is not connected with any VPN. If your iPhone device is connected with VPN, then here we have to disconnect with VPN and then try again later. Then after that, here we have to check that a problem fixed or not. So if you're getting still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Here we have to again open setting, then scroll down, then tap on general. Then again scroll down here, and then tap on language and region. Then here we have to select region, and here make sure that your iPhone region and your Apple ID region should be same. Then after go back and check that a problem fixed or not. So if you're getting still this problem, then here move to the next solution. Here we have to again open setting. Then here we have to scroll down, and here we have to search for App Store. So here is App Store. Here we have to tap on this. Then here we have to scroll down here, and here is the option of app downloads. Here we have to turn on this toggle. Then here again scroll down, and here make sure that these toggles should be turned on from here. And then here we have to again scroll down, and here is the option of offload unused apps. Here we have to turn on this toggle. Then here we have to scroll down. Then here we have to close this tab. Then here we have to force restart iPhone device by tapping on the volume up button, then volume down, then press the power button until Apple logo appears. So after that, after all these settings, hopefully your problem will be fixed, and you will be able to download app from App Store on your iPhone or iPad device. So that's it from this video. Hopefully you like this video.